Hi guys, welcome to this video today where I'll be relaxing my natural hair using olive oil hair relaxer. I'm gonna show you the things that came in the package. There were a couple of things. Firstly, right on top we had the hair styling mousse, and then we had the cream itself. It was half, I don't know why, but it was sealed, so I guess this is enough. We had the cream activator liquid, these weird looking gloves, guys, 2 shampoos for washing the hair, a hair conditioner and a hair lotion. First time hearing about hair lotion. Anyway, and a spatula for mixing. So first I had to untie this pom-pom. I don't know what you can call it. I don't even know the words to use. We used to call it a puff when I was in school. Yeah, because my hair, guys, look at that. This is what I have to deal with almost every day or 2 days a week, because I don't often go to the salon. I have to do my hair by myself most of the times, and yeah, so that was just me mixing the cream activator liquid with the cream and mixing, making sure everything becomes a smooth paste before applying it over my hair. Parting the hair was obviously hard to part through this bush, guys. Yeah, I did do it, though not like right down to the T like those straight lines, but just to get an idea of like the section I'll be working with. And then I couldn't keep up with that anyway, but I tried, so I just started applying the cream over the hair. So I would partially, lightly put the cream on one section, then move to the other section, do the same thing, just apply lightly just to make sure all the sections get something at least before I decide whether naikwana cream nangu naishota. As you can see, the inside parts were not done, and here now the gloves they were acting up, so I just decided to go in with my hands. And please don't do this if you are working in a salon or you are relaxing people's hair very often. I would advise you find some gloves that fit you well, not those ones that they put in the box, because those ones kept on moving. They were not intact, so they were sliding off my fingers. That's why I removed them. I decided, let me just go in so that I do this really fast and I don't leave the cream to sit in my hair for too long before it starts falling off. I don't want to have those bad relaxing hair days where somebody relaxes their hair and it starts falling off. So now at this point I was using a comb, not really combing out, but I was just trying to get the hair relaxer to like all the strands of hair, as many as I could get, not all the strands, because I highly doubt that I got everything, but I did my best. My hair was soft, but because I did not want this video to be very long, I actually washed my hair in the next video. So if you want to see how it came out, kindly tap on the screen. In the corner there you see the next video where I actually washed my hair and dyed it, because yeah, I relaxed my hair and dyed it on the same day.